Hey guys, welcome back. I am Matilda, and on this channel we talk everything business. Now in today's video we are actually going through how to get the LuSE app, which is the Lusaka Stock Exchange app, on your phone. You sign up and start buying and selling shares on the Lusaka stock market. Now, if you haven't known, don't worry, it's relatively new. I recently also got a text message telling me I could actually download the app and start trading, and so I did that immediately. This is how you actually download and sign up and begin trading on the stock market. So for those of you that are still new to the stock market, I must tell you, you still need to get a broker involved. You need to sign up at a brokerage firm. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch one of my videos. I actually did a video on how to start trading on the stock market, and you can go from there. So for those of you that have actually traded before, let's get into it and start trading.
Download the app, click on it, and then you'll go to your welcome page. Click on register now and you'll be redirected to this page. Sorry, that was quick. Fill out the fields and write your name, middle name, last name, and all those things. You can see I'm actually doing that right now. Then you'll be taken to the second page of 4. Fill out those fields. You can see my gender over there, citizen, blah, 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 number, and then click next. Then you'll be redirected to the third page where you fill out those fields again, your street address, your town, you know the drill, right? And then you click next. Once you click, so you will be directed to the fourth page where you fill out those fields. This is just for example purposes. And once you're done, you click create account. Now, once you create the account, you'll be sent a verification code via text message and your email, and you verify. I haven't shown that here, but that's what happens. So that's the dashboard over there. And let's look around in the stocks. So that's a list of organizations on the stock market. Yep, let's play around and see what this is about. There's the bonds. We can see the list of bonds over there. Okay, that's the bonds. So we're in the market section. There are commodities. There's really nothing much there. So we got portfolio, and you can see my wallet has 200 kwacha. And there we go. And so you can actually deposit money from your mobile money account into your wallet on the platform. So there's the example. That's a fake number, by the way. There's 200 kwacha. Click confirm and you're in. There is a successful deposit in my account, in my wallet actually. So now let's buy some stocks. Okay, so I feel like buying from Zambia breweries just for the example. And where is it? Okay, there we are. We can see the name, the industry it's in, the amount, and even the about the organization, and also the yield over there. And we can click buy, enter the amount of shares we want. So for this example, I'll enter 10. And you can see the price over there and the breakdown as well. Then we click buy stock. And so we confirm, and it's loading. There we go, successful bid. So we've placed an order, and the second message, that means we bought. So there we go, we have bought. We can see it in the securities over there, and it's sitting well in my account. It's been matched. So that's how easy it is to buy stocks using the app. It's definitely user friendly and easy to buy. It cuts the time that we spend to actually buy stocks. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.